Tiny homes hold the secret to clever storage with their well-placed shelves and multi-functional furniture. Living in tight quarters shouldn't hold you back from meeting your storage needs. With the right strategies, it's easy to live small and store well. We'll show you how to organize your home with creative storage ideas for small spaces. 1. Substitute closet space. Many small homes lack sufficient closet space, which can make entryway storage. To make up for a storage scarcity around your front door, outfit the space with a variety of hooks and open shelves to create a customized drop zone that works for your family. 2. Stagger shelves uniform. Boxy shelving units can overpower a small room and make it feel smaller than it really is. Instead, look for ladder-style pieces with shelves that get narrower toward the top. This can help lighten a room's look and feel, as well as provide useful storage for items in various sizes. 3. Scale-down shelves. Small spaces don't offer a lot of room for overly large furniture, especially small bathrooms. Look for sized-down pieces that still offer plenty of storage potential, like this open 3-shelf unit. It offers just enough space for extra towels and toiletries, as well as pretty display space. 4. Use vertical spaces. Utilizing vertical space, like behind-the-door storage, is a smart solution for tight quarters. Those precious square feet can be put to good use, especially for storing small items that would otherwise clutter up rooms. A variety of slim wire baskets better to keep contents in view lines the back of this door to corral gift wrapping essentials. 5. Storage space under the stairs. The space under the stairs is often wasted, but here a butler's pantry adds function to this underutilized area. The small space is perfect for storing rarely used serving pieces or special occasion dishware. 6. Clever kitchen cabinets. Add more storage capability to your kitchen cabinets by making use of corner spaces. Slim drawers are just the right size to hold small appliances or baking pans. This savvy storage solution not only takes advantage of additional space, but also keeps items off the counter, which keeps the kitchen looking tidy. 7. Pots and pans storage. Pots and pans are kitchen essentials, but their varying shapes make them difficult to store. Rather than filling kitchen cabinets with these cumbersome items, hang them close to the ceiling. Here, a ledge above the windows holds large platters while a bar with hooks holds hanging pots and pans. 8. Stock up on stock cabinets. Make use of the space between the bathtub and ceiling by adding storage options. Here, stock cabinets and cubbies stack up to create an interesting stair-step configuration that allows the space to be used for both storage and display. Use the open cubbies for storing towels for easy access. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment in this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.